Well, news just coming in. The Delhi High Court has issued a notice to the Aam Aadmi Party government in the capital on appointments of 21 parliamentary secretaries. The Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court has said that the matter requires more consideration. This comes even as there is a row brewing between the Delhi government and the centre over the jurisdiction and over the powers that the Chief Minister enjoys. The Delhi Chief Minister, do remember, also wrote a letter a short while ago to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying that the LG is interfering in the functioning of the Delhi government. At the moment, we are joined by Rhythm on the phone line. Rhythm, give us more details about what the Delhi High Court's notice to the Aam Aadmi Party government says.
Bench in the Delhi High Court that was hearing the matter. When the matter came up, the PIL petitioners wanted an immediate hearing on all the points. They have actually said that we want to challenge the 21 parliamentary secretaries that have been appointed by the Kejriwal government on account of the fact that they are Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. Never earlier have there been 21 parliamentary secretaries in the state of Delhi. To which the court said, as of now, it's a matter that requires consideration. We will hear the matter in detail after vacation. For now, they have asked the Delhi government, the Arvind Kejriwal government, to file a short reply before them on the issue before them that have been stated in the PIL. It's also very interesting to note that they have also told the Delhi government's council to take instructions from the Delhi government as to what next needs to be happening here. But very clearly, this is going to be seen as, something to which it is going to be seen as some trouble for the Aam Aadmi Party, because they will now have to get into litigation in another controversy over another bunch of secretaries that they have appointed. We also need to remember that when they did this, there's already been conflict, and politically speaking, it's never happened in the capital of Delhi that there have been more than 3 parliamentary secretaries. That's something that the PIL is saying, as therefore it's been challenged, and we only need to see what the Chief Justice's bench in the Delhi High Court will be stating in the case on the 1st of July, when the case is next going to be heard.